In this tutorial, we will code this piece of art in Turtle, which is a Python library. To use the library, start with import turtle. For the background color, we can use the turtle function. Set the background color to black. Next, we need to create the object turtle and store it in the variable t. The colors red and dark red are used. We can define them here in a list. Now, as you saw in the animation, the code draws a line and then takes a turn and then draws a line again. Each line is drawn longer than the line before. We can use a for loop here and loop about 400 times with the range function. With the forward function, we can draw a straight line. The length of the line is defined by the value stored in the variable number. Since we are looping in the range from 0 to 400, we can reuse the variable for the length of the line. Next, we need to define the angle. If we enter 90 here, this loop would create a square. We don't want it to be a perfect corner, but slightly off so it creates the spiral effect. Finally, the spiral needs to alternate between red and dark red. We define the list with the colors. Red has an index number of 0 and dark red has the index number of 1. So one iteration we need to pass the index number 0 and the next iteration the index number 1. We can do that by using the operator modulo, which is the percentage sign. This operator returns the remainder of a division problem. To show you how this works, let's visualize what the operator does. If we want to divide 5 by 2 with the modulo, what Python does, it makes in this case groups of 2. If it no longer is able to make a group of 2, it returns the remainder, in this case 1. Here's an example of 4 divided by 2 with the outcome of 0. And here's an example of 1 divided by 2 with the outcome of 1. The modulo groups the input figure by 2, and if it cannot make a group of 2 anymore, then it returns the remainder. That's how we can switch back and forth between red and dark red. Finally, let's write turtle.done to keep the screen open after the code is done running. And that's it.